In this video guide, I will give you tips on how to effectively get rid of pop-ups that are coming from the site sync speedy intensely vfile.vip. It's a fake software update alert attacking Mac browsers. For instance, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and of course Safari. The pop-up by sync speedy intensely vfile.vip tries to deceive you with a lot of faulty statements. It says that you need to update your Adobe Flash Player, and it says that you need to do that because it's an essential plugin for your browser. However, this information is totally faulty and deceptive. Believe me that if there is any decent update available, you will see a special notification in System Preferences in the Software Update section. So you will be able to proceed and install such updates if they are indeed available. However, Apple does not use any third-party websites like this to promote its updates. Some people have mistakenly agreed with these misleading proposals and installed some sort of Adobe Flash Player update. This, by the way, may hijack your browser. This may infect your Mac computer with adware type applications and other potentially unwanted software. Therefore, be very careful. Do not interact with all such fake alerts. Only trust decent Apple software update notifications available in System Preferences. I would also recommend you to carefully examine the safety of your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official resource combocleaner.com, download the software and start carefully examining your computer to make sure that it is free of any other hidden infections. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan in order to begin the complex investigation of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.